Hello people, welcome to my channel. So today this is what I bought in the market. Every Friday I go to the market and buy some our weekly food. So this is what I came back with. I have some 3 types of greens, as you guys can see here. This one here is called Jovio. Then I have some nakati there, guys. Then I have some gobe here. I have some fresh tomatoes. I have there some oranges, carrots, sweet potatoes, Irish, onion and garlic, some fresh pineapples, pumpkin. Above all, also, guys, I have some red and yellow pepper, broccoli, cauliflower, zucchini, and parsley. So that's what I bought today. I also forgot to show you guys a banana, because I also bought a banana for eating. So maybe next time I will remember and put it and record and show you guys. You're new here, my name is Afro Kitchen. I do cook, or I do home cooking videos. You can go to my YouTube channel, you will see all the food that I cook. And please like my channel, leave a comment, share. God bless you all. Thank you. So I'm going to wash these things and cook them.